The modern black cabin is childproof. We have a childproof lock over on the fireplace. It's a good idea to keep that on there. And we have extra locks in the primary bedroom closet. You can use those under the kitchen sink cabinet, the bathroom cabinets, and on the fireplace. They're super easy to use. You just squeeze that top little part to slide it down or slide it up to lock it or open it. And I'll show you how easy it is. So we store lots of cleaning products under here. I definitely recommend keeping it on there. You can also do that in the second bathroom. There is some wipes in the second bathroom under the sink. I would definitely recommend taking the ladder off in the bunk room for any small children. Put them in the garage though, lay them sideways so no one uses them elsewhere. Our deck sits 7 feet high off the ground, so you definitely want to watch your kids around those horizontal railings. There could be a temptation to climb up those, so you just want to keep your eye out. When you are watching TV, just make sure you're on the kids' profile Netflix. We have no control over what our previous guests watch, and it's in the queue, so it's always good to watch for that. Since moving in just a couple months ago, we have been doing our best to clean up the backyard from any sort of construction debris, but please watch your step. There could be screws or scrap metal or nails that we just couldn't find underneath all the pine needles. We hope you found this video helpful and that you found all the games and toys that we have stocked up. Please enjoy yourselves. There are so many fun parks and snow tubing opportunities and sledding. We do have a sled in the garage and some snowball scoopers in the laundry room cabinets. Have so much fun, guys.